And we're live.
Ready? Okay. What we're looking at here, we've got a clamp-on ammeter attachment that goes to our Fluke True RMS multimeter. It's a 1,000 to 1 reduction in current. So for every 1 amp that goes through here, we get 1 milliamp through our meter. Or the other way around, for every milliamp we see here at the meter, we have 1 real amp going through the center of this clamp-on. So if I come over here to my 3-phase motor, I've got my 3 motor leads right here, I'll pick just one of them and clamp around it. Notice how the probe goes around the wire. It doesn't clamp on the wire, it goes around. We are intercepting the magnetic field cast by that one wire with the iron inside that core. What we see here is 780 microamps, about 790 microamps. Keep in mind that's about 0.79 or 0.78 milliamps. The 1,000 to 1 ratio here tells us that's actually 0.78 or 0.79 amps going through that real wire. We're reading 1/1000th at the meter. So imagine that micro turning into a milli, and that's what you have for real current going through that wire. Now what I want to show you here is an interesting effect. If I clamp around one wire, I get that one current. If I clamp around another wire here, I get its current. It ought to be fairly closely balanced. For a 3-phase motor, equal impedances in the windings, I should get pretty much the same current through each one of the windings as the motor is operating at a given load. Watch this. I'm going to clamp around all 3. We get practically nothing. Here's why. These magnetic fields cancel each other. For every amp going one way, there's an amp combined going the other way at any given time. And so what that means is the magnetic fields cancel each other out. As a result, we read hardly anything on the meter at all. This is exactly why if I clamp around all these leads here, same thing. I get practically nothing because I'm seeing a cancellation of magnetic fields. And also, if I come over here to my 120 volt cable that feeds this thing and clamp around that, thank you, once again we read hardly anything at all. Because the hot and the neutral carrying current in opposite directions, their magnetic fields cancel, and I get a net of 0. So you got to be careful when you're measuring current with the clamp-on meter. Go around one conductor at a time to see the current of that one conductor.